Did you know that millions of Canadians lose out on a benefit simply because they didn't apply for employment insurance the right way? Whether you have just lost your job or about to take paternity leave, understanding how to apply EI is crucial, and it is easier than you think. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are recently lost your job, you are looking to take some time off for paternity leave, this video is for you. In the episode, we are diving into the steps how to apply employment insurance, also known as EI, and what you need to know. Make sure you qualify and get the benefit you deserve. We also talk about family care benefits, paternity leave, and eligible requirement. So stick around so you don't miss out. First thing first, what exactly employment insurance or EI? It's a government program designed to help you financially when you are out of work or taking time for your family for certain reasons like paternity leave or taking care of loved ones. And guess what? Many of people qualify for benefits and don't even realize it. Before you start your application, let's talk about eligibility. You are eligible for EI. You have lost your job through no fault of your own. That means were laid off, not fired for misconduct. You must also have worked a certain number of hours in the past years and be actively looking for work. For regular EI benefit, you typically need around 600 insurable hours of work depending on your reason. But make sure more benefit you can receive if you have more work. So keep in mind. Now let's talk about the actual process. The easiest way to apply EI is online through Canada website. Just head over the site and create an account or log into existing account. If you already created a service account on website, so then you can use it. Otherwise you have to create a new account, then follow the prompt for to fill application. You'll need to provide some basic information like your SIN number, address, and your details about the previous employment. Going to break this process into some steps so it's easier to follow. So let's begin. Now let's talk about the paternity leave, taking time for families. If you are a new parent and want to take time off to bond with your child, you can apply for the paternity benefits, which mean paternal benefit through EI. This includes both paternity and maternity leave. You have two options here: the standard paternity leave, which give you 55% of your average weekly earning for up to 40 weeks, or extended paternal benefit, which give you 33% for your up to 69 weeks. Choosing the right option depend on your family's need. Don't forget about family caregiver benefit. If you are taking time off to care a critical ill or injured family member, you could be eligible for these benefits. The good news is you don't have to be a parent or qualify for this. You can care for a children, spouse, or even parents under the family caregiver program. If you are taking care of a loved one, the family caregiver benefits for adults provides up to 15 weeks of benefits, and the family caregiver benefit for children can offer up to 35 weeks depending on the situation. Okay, here's the thing. Applying for EI might seem straightforward, but there are a few common mistakes you will want to avoid. For example, not applying on time, not providing complete information, missing the eligibility requirements. So furthermore, now that you know the ins and outs of applying EI, including paternal leave and family caregiver benefit, it's time to take action. Go ahead and start your application today. It's your money. Make sure you get the benefit you deserve. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need this info. Leave us comment below if you have any question or want to share your experience with applying EI. We had love to hear from you.